Hi, I'm Jessica with Ellie and Mac, and today we're going to do something kind of fun and exciting, and that is open a new package. Like, it's your birthday, and you get to see what's inside this package. Now, I'm pretty excited about this one, and, I'm not exactly old, but I'm not exactly young, and you'll see why in a moment that matters with the age thing, but honestly, I think this will be good for all ages. So let's get to it and open this up and see what's inside. Okay, are you ready for the big reveal? Okay, so as you can see, it's a magnifying clamp light. So it has a clamp here and a magnifying glass here with a light. And I'm excited about this for a lot of reasons. And I think one of the big ones that when I heard about this, I was like, oh, I totally need it for picking seams, like on sweater knits when it's like really dark fabric and dark thread. And just all the little ones where it's like, if you have to do like a really small zigzag stitch, or I recently did a swimsuit and I used the triple zigzag stitch. And if you've ever picked that one out, or a tight lightning bolt stitch, you know what I'm talking about, where you're like, oh my gosh, I wish I had a magnifying glass or better lighting. So let's open this up and see if it's nice. Let's take a look at the magnifying clamp light from Nakoos. So first of all, it comes with a little cleaning cloth, a letter of thanks, and some instructions. So it says it has 5 color temperatures and 10 levels of adjustable brightness. And it has this nice little clamp here that goes on the table, which I'm really excited about because I think I'm going to go set it up over by my sewing machines when we get this all put together. And I can clamp it right to the table there and then have it useful anytime I need it. Love the foam packaging. I think that looks great. And it's a nice, it's bigger than I thought it would be. Big, nice, big. Has an adjustable head here. And a nice arm. Wow, okay. That's gonna get bigger than what we have here. Zoom out here so I can show you the whole thing. Some kind of, I think this is part of the clamp. Little nails and a hex wrench. And here's the part that I'm sure goes on to a table. And a block, which is nice. You know, how many products do you get and they include a cord but no block, and you're like, I hope I have an extra one. So how to install the clamp. 2-sided installation. Please choose the way that's suitable for your desktop. So there's 2 ways to do it. It looks like you can put it on the edge, like the side of it, or you can put it down here, or you can even clamp it like if you have like a little like part that comes up on your table, you could clamp it that way. I think I'm just going to do this first way right here. You put this part into this part, and there's 4 holes. So I assume we have 4, at least 4. Actually, there's some extra. There's 5 in here, and it says to use the hex wrench to put those in. So let's open these up, and we'll get started here. So yeah, so you can either put it on this side or on this side on the bottom. So whichever way you're going to have, and the pull of it goes through right here, this part. So if you want it upright on a table, you would have it this way on the side. And if you want it to where it clamps like a different way, then you could put it on the bottom. But I'm just gonna put it on the side because I think that will work best for my table. All these in here. And then we'll use which side works best? Probably just this one. All screwed in to there, and now we will put this part into here and see how that works. Okay, so it's just a little matter of force. You just push it up in there and it's in. So we'll just go ahead and go put this on the table and then we get to try it out. Okay, so first thing is the cord, and I want to see how long that is. So about 4 feet long. So let me see if I can make that over to where I need to plug this in. You know what? It's perfect. I'm putting this clamp on. All right, so lefty loosey, righty tighty on this. Perfect. And then, yeah, that feels really nice and steady and sturdy. So I think that will be great. And this can go all the different ways, which is nice. Got this plugged in. And I tap this to see how you turn it on, and it's super easy. So just boop, like that. It's a little bit dusty on the screen, but they included this nice little cloth, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. All right, that's looking pretty good. Look how, ooh, look how magnified that is. Okay, so to help us through this, it actually tells you all the buttons. So we've got our on-off switch, which is this one. We have turn up the brightness is the plus, and of course the minus would do the opposite. So you can go up and down. And then we have the 5 color temperatures. So here's our switching colors. We got super warm, cooler, 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 and then super warm again. And then this last one is nice because you don't have to fuss with the turning up and down. It's just like if you want it super bright or super dim, you can start right there with the sun button. So you have bright, dim. So that's nice. And that's all there is to it. So let's try seeing what we can see through this. Here I have some sweater knit that I put some purple thread with a zigzag into. And as you can see, it is tiny. And you've got that thick fabric, so it's going to be a little bit hard to see if I wanted to seam rip this, and how many times do you need to? Like, I mean, they say you're not sewing if you're not seam ripping, right? And you know what? That does make it so much easier to see. And look, I can even come away, and the camera isn't doing a great job of focusing, but I can see that super well. I can now see those threads so well. So we can try kind of messing with the color settings, which I think is going to help because like this cooler with the purple, which is a cool color, is harder to see. But if I move it to a warmer color or a more natural color, I'm going to be able to see that better. So can see that, and let's try. Yes, that is super nice. Oh, so handy. It looks huge. It looks huge. It looks like I'm doing some kind of like yarn instead of thread. I think it will take some practice because I don't have it right in front of my face. I'm looking through here. So not only am I seeing like, here's that big thread, but now also this looks huge, right, in the magnifying glass. So getting used to that, I think, is something that's important, but I do think it's super helpful. Let's try seeing if we can swing this over to the machine. Okay, check this out. Dang, how well can you see that? Wow, you can see all my fuzz. Somebody needs to clean their machine, and that's me. This would be great for cleaning a machine too, getting up close in there. Well, as you can see, I'm super excited for this new toy. I think it's gonna be a great have for sewing, for other crafts, for all sorts of things. I like to make earrings too. There's all sorts of things I like to do, and I think when you can get up close on these little tiny things, it's just gonna make everything better. If you want to see more about this, you can check the description below where we have the link for this, and go check it out yourself. And if you liked this review and you want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments. Also, be sure to check out all the other amazing videos. We have so many tutorials and ideas. We have pattern sew-alongs for every single pattern from Ellie and Mac on this channel. There's over 700 videos, so go check them out. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.